Right, so we are at 416 Wheels and Tires. We are going to be putting on brand new Continental Performance DWS 06 tires.
The niche ASCARIS, 416 Wheels and Tires. This is how we do it. Making the cars look special for the summer. Real special. Take a look at that.
Am I still paying? Justice, pleasure. Thank you so much.
Take care, okay?
I'll send you the stuff when it's done.
Yeah, man. Enjoy.
We are finished with the rims. These are 19 inches, just in case you guys are wondering. Thank you so much to Niche and Continental.